Hey there, Lucas again here at Strathmore Dodge doing another video walk around. Just got in two cargo vans. This is one of them, 2020 Mercedes Sprinter. This is the diesel. High roof, standard wheelbase in white. Cloth 3-seat interior. You have the protector wall there. Lots of headroom. Overhead console with storage, standard radio. Air conditioning controls in the center, lots of cup holders. We have cruise control and automatic headlights. This vehicle does come equipped with a backup camera as well. It says over the rear, and that is displayed in your rear view mirror. It is power locks and doors. Dual doors in the back, no windows. And you do have lighting throughout in the top here. Looks like it was barely used. There's no markings on the floor. Lots of tie-down straps. This would be great for camper conversion, especially with the double doors in the back. No apparent damage to the vehicle. Handbrake is clean. You have a full-size sliding side door as well. Tons and tons of room back here. Whether you want to use it as a camper or if you want to use it as a utility vehicle, it'd be great as both. If you're interested in this vehicle or something like it, we do have a couple more on the way. You can email me Lucas at strathmoredodge.com.